Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to see your block list on your Facebook account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view or see your block list or blocked accounts list on your Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone like this. And after you have opened your account, to view or to see your block list on over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available over here just below the messenger icon. Tap on that three-lined icon like this. And again guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings icon available for us. Tap on the settings like this, and from over here guys, tap on the profile settings again, which is at the top of the list. And when you land over here, you can see the fourth option under the category of privacy is the blocking. Tap on that blocking like this, and over here guys, you can see you will be able to find all of your block list or blocked accounts on your Facebook account. There guys, this is how you see what's your block list on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.